You don't want to lose your dad's settings, do you? When you turn it off, because it happens a lot, people have a parent in the old one and it doesn't save the settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the complete installation. And here we go to the whip, right? I see here, you pull the red wire, the black wire here, this one here is what you will connect to the negative of your source or your battery. You understand that if you are going to connect this here directly, then I even connected these two SIOS here. This is the yellow one, right? And there's the red one. I even connected it here. But this yellow wire here, this wire that I'm pulling here, yellow, you're going to connect it positively, right? The red wire, it's the yellow wire, right? It will leave directly connected to your car battery. This red wire here is the key post that when you give alley from the ignition, it will turn on. You're the father too, right? This F here is the post salvo you will call if you call your father at home, right? Make 11 residential sound even. You can connect the two together like I connected here, showing you here, right people? If you are going to install it in your car, it is the yellow wire that you will connect to your positive battery, right? And this here is the key post. The moment you give the key there, turn on the ignition, it will turn on, right? Showing you this one here. This blue wire is what you will connect other things to, right? For example, if you have an automotive module, then you connect it here, right? This wire is blue, right? Something like that. And there are some silos here. Then even I can make a video here for you showing how it's done. But so as not to lose your father's configuration, there's this wire, it's yellow, right? Which has to be connected directly